Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to learn more about your target audience. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in gathering, analyzing, and utilizing Facebook Insights to gain a deeper understanding of your ideal customers, their preferences, and their online behavior. Section 1. The importance of understanding your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for any business that wants to achieve success. By understanding your ideal customers, you can craft effective marketing messages. Tailor your marketing messages to resonate with the specific needs, interests, and pain points of your target audience. Create engaging content. Develop content that is relevant, informative, and valuable to your target audience, increasing engagement and brand loyalty. Optimize product development. Identify unmet needs, preferences, and trends within your target audience to guide product development and feature enhancements. Improve customer experience. Understand customer expectations, pain points, and feedback to improve the overall customer experience and satisfaction. Section 2. Facebook as a source of target audience insights. Facebook offers a wealth of data and insights about its users, providing valuable information about your target audience. Demographics. Access detailed information about your audience's age, gender, location, education, occupation, and other demographic factors. Interests. Gain insights into your audience's hobbies, interests, and online behavior, including the pages they like, the groups they join, and the content they engage with. Purchase behavior. Understand your audience's purchasing habits, including the brands they follow, the products they research, and the websites they visit. Online activity. Monitor your audience's online activity on Facebook, including their engagement with your brand's content, their interactions with other users, and their overall engagement with the platform. Section 3. Gathering Facebook Insights. Leverage Facebook's various tools and features to gather insights about your target audience. Facebook Analytics. Utilize Facebook Analytics to access comprehensive data about your audience's demographics, interests, and engagement with your content. Audience Insights. Utilize Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gain deeper insights into your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior across the entire Facebook network. Pixel tracking. Implement Facebook pixel tracking to track website visitors who have previously interacted with your Facebook page or ads, providing insights into their online behavior and purchase patterns. Customer feedback. Collect feedback from your target audience through surveys, polls, comments, and direct messages to understand their experiences, preferences, and pain points. Section 4. Analyzing and utilizing Facebook Insights. Once you have gathered insights about your target audience, follow these steps to analyze and utilize them effectively. Identify patterns and trends. Analyze the data to identify patterns and trends in your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior. Create audience personas. Develop detailed audience personas that represent the different segments of your target audience, incorporating the insights you have gathered. Tailor marketing strategies. Adapt your marketing strategies, content creation, and product development efforts to align with the preferences and needs of your identified audience personas. Track results and refine strategies. Continuously monitor the impact of your strategies and refine them based on the insights you gain from ongoing data analysis. Facebook offers a powerful tool for businesses to gain valuable insights about their target audience, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize their marketing, product development, and customer experience strategies. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can effectively gather, analyze, and utilize Facebook Insights to achieve your business goals and connect with your ideal customers. Remember, understanding your target audience is an ongoing process that requires continuous data collection, analysis, and adaptation to ensure your strategies remain relevant and effective in the ever-evolving digital landscape.